Hey everyone, my name is NAISARG and I am currently in the second year MBBS at NMCRC Visnagar, Gujarat. In today's video, we are gonna talk about the YouTube channels or YouTubers I followed during my first year, and you also should follow them during your first year of MBBS. Many videos I will be uploading on this channel which would be helpful throughout your first year. So press the subscribe button and hit that bell icon to never miss any video. So without wasting your much of the time, let's get started. Before I dive into the channels I follow, let me tell you why it is important to find the right resources on YouTube. As a first year MBBS student, you are bombarded with tons of textbooks, reference materials, and lecture notes. It can get overwhelming pretty quickly. The right YouTube channels can help simplify complex topics, provide quick using content, and even offer insights into practical skills. Alright, let's start with anatomy. The first channel I recommend is Jory MBBS. Jory MBBS is known for his 3D teaching technique, which is very much helpful to students to visualize the inside of the body. He also provides notes which are very much helpful during university exams. But here we can't forget the other channel, which is Essentials of Medical Science, which is also a popular channel to master the anatomy. There are other channels too for anatomy, such as Ninja Nerd. To go on the advanced level, you should definitely follow it, but make sure it's gonna take too much time to complete any system, as their videos are too large in length. Now let's move toward the physiology. To clear and master the concepts of physiology, you should follow Dr. Najib sir lecture blindly. But just for the sake of the university exam, you can't go wrong with the chill medicos and lectures by Dr. Preeti Tyagi ma'am. Also for the last time revision before prelim and university exam, Armando Asudungan is the best alternative I choose for revision. So next is the biochemistry, and for the biochemistry, I, my batchmates and our seniors studied from one and only Dr. Rajesh Tambulkar sir. The main benefit to study from his lecture is that you will get idea about the long answer questions and short answer questions. His method of teaching with mnemonics is very much helpful during revision phase before university exam. He also teaches on other platforms such as Physicswala Medit platform. All the YouTube channels or YouTubers I suggested you above might have their Telegram channels or groups from where you can get their handwritten or typed notes and other useful material. Make sure to check the description box to get links of the YouTube channels. If you found the video helpful, press the like button, share and comment on what next topic you want the video. Till then, bye and see you soon.